The audience is going to burst. Here is American Idol runner-up David Archuleta.
He is performing Angels with Michael Orland on piano. Take it away, Cutie Pie.
I sit and wait. Does an angel contemplate my fate? And do they know the places where we go when we're gray and old? 'Cause I've been told that salvation lets their wings unfold. So when I'm lying in my bed, thoughts running through my head, and I feel the love is dead, I'm loving angels instead. And through it all, she offers me protection, a lot of love and affection. With her I'm right along, and down the waterfall, wherever it may take me, I know that life won't break me. When I come to call, she won't forsake me. I'm loving angels instead. Oh, I'm loving angels instead.
Annette, I tell you, it's amazing to have the power to make people cry. Ow, look at it. Yeah, the women weeping. Congratulations, David.
Thank you very
You have a
Nice
long
job.
career ahead of you.
You were number one in my heart, honey.
For more on American Idol, be sure to check out imandjshow.com. Tune in tomorrow for Saisha.
Gonna be here.
Another great singer.
We'll be
Come
right back.